ARC enthusiast. I wanted to show you a mod that I did for my RedCat RS10. I constructed a skid plate because I was noticing that my links were really getting chewed to heck, and it's probably also pretty abusive to the whole steering linkage and servo and everything. So 16th inch aluminum, came up with a pattern, folded it up. It's attached at each one of the lower link points. The bolt just goes all the way through, so this is nutted off on the bottom. Okay, show you a real nice radius there. I think you can see. Got the radius real nice. But the thing that's really nice about it is that it's a system for me to put weights, different weights, on the front of it until I get the right amount of weight. This is a big old chunk of 1-inch brass hex stock, and I cut it down so it would slide past the transmission. I cut a little slot in it so that my upper brace, okay, so my whole skid plate is connected at the bottom in 2 points, and then it's connected right up here with this nice little brace. And this is doubled up, and as you can see, it's removable. I've got a couple of nice little button head screws on it, so I can take those off. I can take that off, and then I can put whatever weight I want in there. I could put a smaller weight or whatever. This is a very hefty amount of weight. I think this is probably going to be about right, because I've seen guys putting a lot of brass on their knuckles. I mean, like this much on each knuckle. And this is, I think, in some ways, maybe even better, because it's forward. But if you look at where it's located, it is right in line with the axle. I mean, right in line with it. And the skid plate, as you can see, isn't going to stop the wheels from doing anything that they would have done anyways, because I've got the skid plate literally, you know, a 16th off of the transmission. So it's about as close to the transmission as I could get it. So you still got plenty of clearance, and that way I won't be beating up my linkage so much, sliding over stuff, all that. And it's got some nice bends in it, as you can see, so it's not going to catch anything. And if I have to back up, okay, instead of hanging up on my linkage like I've been and smashing my linkage and bashing it all over the place, now it's going to bump up over it. So I kind of like it. I think it's a pretty neat mod. Then again, I would, since I just did it. But yeah, it pretty much gets the rig really crazy. Now I can actually balance it beyond vertical. It now wants to balance about, this is its balance point, if you can tell, against vertical. So I'm actually several degrees beyond where I was without the weight. So I think that's pretty awesome. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Get out there and crawl, unless you live somewhere like I do, and you have to wait.